Alright, so today what I'm going to do, based on some observations, well, let me go back. Today is the 6th of February. Last week we just came out of that major cold snap where we were in the negatives for 3 days in a row. One of the coldest times we've had in years that I can remember. So anyway, I went and checked on my boxes and checked on the stores, and I was happy with that. But one thing I did find is a little bit more condensation than I wanted. So I noticed in my box up here, and this is going to be hard to do with one hand, so hang on. Alright, so sorry about the ride there, but I noticed in my box up here there was quite a bit of condensation, and my chips and my burlap were getting wet. So I wasn't happy with that. So there's my bee cluster right there, but I can feel the moisture. I can feel some moisture in the chips. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and remove this burlap and cedar, put new burlap in there and new cedar. So we'll do that real fast. Get that taken care of. Sorry about this. Alright, so I've got some new cedar to lay down. There's the girls on top right there. So, then I'm going to have to be very gentle. I'm going to put you on pause for right now while I put the cedar in here, okay? Hang tight. Alright, so I've put new burlap in. I've pushed the cedar to the edges all the way. I think I did it without riling the girls up too much. And I'm spreading it out. It's all really dry now. The burlap's dry. I'm just going to fold it over. And then I have this original piece of insulation that I put right there. And now I'm going to add a second piece of insulation to the top here that I cut out. We'll put our top cover on and we'll see if this... Now I've got twice the insulation, and I did this for a couple reasons. I did notice a lot more I got the bees a little bit worked up now, as you can see, coming out. But anyway, I got the idea because of the amount of condensation on there, and someone had recommended that maybe I put a little thicker insulation up there, since I basically only have like a 3/4 inch or 1 inch foam board up there. So now I've added more insulation, and that should help the situation now. And the other thing that happened too, I think, that caused a problem is that my air holes were blocked up with snow and frost after that, and so I think the air inside kind of was held in there and condensed. Although I do have an upper entrance on the front, so it shouldn't happen, but it can. So anyway, I think we're okay now. And yeah, the only thing I'm going to do is on this one, I'm going to add an extra layer of insulation on this one, and then we'll be done for it. So unfortunately, I'm going to need 2 hands, but you know, we modify our techniques as we go. As far as this goes, I'm going to set this in the shed. It's kind of wet. You can almost see it looks almost like it's got some mildew there on it. I'm going to set it on in the shed. I'm going to let it air dry, and then I'll just use that for the smoker in the spring. All right, take care. Thanks for watching.